Craving juicy Persian Koobideh Kabob but don't have a grill? No problem, let me show you how to make delicious pan Koobideh Kabob right on your stovetop. In a large bowl, combine 1 pound ground beef with 1 grated medium onion. Add salt, black pepper, turmeric, and brewed saffron. Mix everything well until fully combined. Transfer the mixture to a non-stick pan and spread it evenly. Using a spatula or knife, create long grooves to give it the classic Koobideh Kabob shape. Place the pan on the stovetop over medium-low heat and cook for about 20 minutes. Carefully flip the kebab and cook the other side until it's fully cooked and beautifully golden brown. Add sliced tomatoes to the pan and let them cook alongside the kebab for extra flavor. Serve with fluffy rice, crispy fried potatoes, or warm bread. Bon appétit! Noshjan. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.